Hello everyone. In this video, we learn how to cross out text on Google Docs. For example, I want to use cross out format for this text. Select that text you want with your mouse and on the top, click on format. From text, choose strike through. As you see, my text have a cross out format. Also, if you want back to a normal text format, which means delete, strike through, select that text, from format on the top again, from text, choose strike through. Also, we can use a undo action. For example, I choose again strike through. Now we can use undo action on your left on the top, or with Ctrl plus Z shortcut we can undo our action. Also, we have a easy way for use cross out, and we can use shortcut Alt plus Shift plus 5 in Windows, or Command plus Shift plus 5 in your Mac device. For example, for this one, I select my text, press Alt, press Shift, press 5. As you see, my text have a strike through format. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel and support us to make more videos. Thanks for watching.